Today we will understand two different terms, bioaccumulation and biomagnification. As seen in a picture, increase in concentration of a pollutant in an organism is bioaccumulation. Increase in concentration of a pollutant in a food chain is biomagnification. So let us understand what is food chain. A sequence of organisms that feed on one another is food chain. It is a sequence by which eater and being eaten are adjoined together. A food chain maintains energy flow from one trophic level to another trophic level, which is unidirectional. Here, grass is being eaten by grasshopper. So grasshopper is a eater while grass is being eaten. Similarly, in case of bluebird and grasshopper, bluebird is a eater and grasshopper is being eaten. And this whole interlink between two organisms shows the food chain, and it is the food chain. In another definition, a food chain maintains energy flow from one trophic level to another trophic level, which is unidirectional. Unidirectional is simple, it means one directional. The flow of energy from one trophic level to upper trophic level. It is not reverse directional. See, here, these are trophic levels. A position of an organism which occupy in a food chain is trophic level. What it eats and who eats it. This two phrases clarifies the term trophic level. Basically or ideally there are 5 trophic levels, but it may be 4 or 6. It depends upon how many steps or sequence the food chain gets completed. Here producer comes under trophic level first, primary consumer comes under trophic level second, secondary consumer comes under trophic level third, tertiary consumer comes under trophic level 4. There is also sixth one, that is quaternary consumer, which means the tick, hawk or mosquito, the topmost carnivorous, comes under the trophic level 5. Here we can see the energy flow is unidirectional. The energy of producer goes in primary consumer, from primary consumer to secondary consumer, from secondary consumer to tertiary consumer. This is unidirectional. It cannot be reversed from tertiary consumer to producer. And therefore energy flow, there is a 10% law of energy transfer which is given by Lindemann, which defines that the 10% energy of total energy get diminished as it shift to upper trophic level. Okay, this is another topic, we will come to it later. For bioaccumulation, biomagnification. Bioaccumulation, a process which describes how biodegradable pollutant enter first organism at first trophic level in an ecosystem. That is, there is an increase in concentration of pollutant in first organism of trophic level. While biomagnification, it is a tendency which describes that in a pollutant food chain there is a gradual increasement in trophic levels of number of pollutant. Look, bioaccumulation is a process that how a pollutant enters in an organism, while biomagnification is a tendency which describes that how pollutant keeps on going in whole food chain from one trophic level to another trophic level. That is what is magnification is. The examples of biomagnifications are Minamata disease, which is caused by mercury. Actually, when waste get disposed into the rivers, Once it happened that mercury got disposed of in the river and fish inhale it, or inhales fish intakes the mercury, and when these fish are were eaten by the human beings, it causes the Minamata disease. And second example is extinction of vulture because of diclofenac. Diclofenac is a painkiller which is being given to the animals, and when animals get die, vulture used to eat them. And when vultures when this diclofenac get enters into the vulture's body, due to which vultures get extinct. We can see that how this diclofenac, a pollutant, keeps going on in from one tropic level to another tropic level. That is what is biomagnification is. And there are some characteristics of pollutant which are responsible for biomagnification, as they are long lived, capacity of moving, biologically active, or fat soluble. Then only these can be sustained in tropic levels or keeps on going. So this is what is our today's topic or terms: bioaccumulation, biomagnification. I hope it get clear.